Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Since this is our first video of our channel, I would like to give a preface on it. Play is our brain's favorite way of learning. Creativity is now as important in education as literacy. Bored of English grammar rules and conditions? Here is a dramatic way which is innovative and creative to grasp. Every grammar rule here is converted into a story, which will make learning fun. Once we listen to an interesting story, we never forget of what that story is about. And this is the method we use to learn grammar here. We would always take something in short to the learners to enjoy learning. Innovative teaching and learning are important here for those who want to learn English. We have our own website for worksheets, which will be posted in the descriptions of the upcoming videos, and just give a try and subscribe and encourage us to do more. Feedbacks are most welcome, which improves our channel. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye.